let's see how to close Microsoft Word if you can't find the X button right here. So first, you want to open Microsoft Word. And let's say that you don't have the X button right here, or you aren't able to access it. So one thing you can do to close Microsoft Word is click on the File tab and click on this option to close it, and that should automatically close your Microsoft Word document. As you can see, it was now closed. Now another option or another method you can take is by pressing Ctrl and W on your keyboard, and that should automatically close your Microsoft Word as well. Now lastly, to close our document, we can use the universal shortcut, which is by pressing Alt F4 on our keyboard, and that should close the document as well. And as you can see, all of those Microsoft Word documents have been closed. And that is how you can close your Microsoft Word document if you don't have access to this X button right here. See you soon!